Hey guys, Flinty Legend Gaming here, and Happy New Year's, everyone. This is gonna be my first video since the new year started. But anyway, today I'm going to be doing a chest opening video, and I just got me and my clan just got our tier 10 clan chest ready to open like 3 days before the clan chest season ended. So I had also a couple other chests to open. I got a tournament chest last night. I was thinking about using it for this video, but I didn't really get anything out of it. So I'm just going to open a few chests. I'm going to open these free chests and that gold chest before I open the clan chest. Also, if you're in Legendary Arena, there's a 14.58 chance of getting a legendary card. I screenshotted what I got from my last tier 10 clan chest from the last season as well. I didn't get much but 5 wars. Alright, we got a prince, that's not too bad. Alright, I'm kinda nervous about this. But look at that prize though, that's pretty good. I'm so nervous. I hope I get a legendary from this. Ooh. Okay, 3 hog riders, 26 skeletons. Well, crap. Really? Oh my god, that sucks. Aw, man. I got 5 skeleton. Excuse my language, but crap. And I contributed like 187 crowns too for this freaking thing, and I didn't get crap out of it. Well, it's Flinty Legend Gaming here, and peace out, guys.